I'm going to show you how to create an assignment that calls for 3 different photographs on one screen, because I did notice that a few of you had difficulty doing that. Let's just begin by, we're in Outlook now, and we're going to open up PowerPoint. That's where we're going to start, and we're going to open up a new project in PowerPoint. I don't like to have these boxes in here, so I'm going to highlight each one and I'm going to get rid of it. And then I don't like to have white backgrounds, actually. So what I do is I go to Design and then I just pick a black background. Okay, so we have 3 photographs that we're going to put onto the screen. I've got them over on another screen on my desktop. So I'm going to drag one of them in there. It's not the right size, so I'm going to hold it by the corner and hold my finger down on the Shift key and make it bigger. But, what some of you have been doing is to make things bigger. You've been doing that, and we don't want to do that. Because what that does is it just squashes or stretches something. So what you have to do is hold it by the corner and then just drag it that way. Actually, what I'm finding right now is that I don't have to hold my finger on the Shift key. Okay, so that's the first one. And I'm just going to drag it all the way down. I don't like that white stuff on the bottom, so I'm going to crop that out. And how we do that is we go to the crop tool and we get a little handle there, and we are going to just remove it, and there we go, it's gone. Okay, let's drag the next photograph on to our screen. Oopsie daisy, that one isn't right, it's horizontal. And so what we want to do is we want to make it vertical. There's a little handle here, and we just rotate it and till we get it right. And then we're going to, so these come out to be the same size. I'm going to make the top of them equal, and then just drag this one down so the bottom is the same. And then I've got another one that I'm going to do. I'm going to drag that over, place it on the screen, line up the top. You'll see there's this little red line there. It tells you that it's lined up. And take it down, and then the other little red line shows up. Now I can move these a little bit. They're not spaced out precisely. There we go. So what I have is, in this case, an underexposed image, a normally exposed image, and an overexposed image. And we're supposed to label this in the assignment. So let's look. I am not that familiar with this, so I really want to look for the type box. There it is. It's the text box. After I click insert, I get the text box, and now I get a text box. And I'm going to move the text box up here. I want the text box to go all the way across. That's going to save me a little time when I type in what it is that I have to do. Underexposed. This happens to be -1. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go normal. exposure. That's in the 0 position. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go over exposed, and that is in the +1. And I can move that type over just a little bit, and we're good to go. Okay, so now we have the assignment completed. I need to save it. So I'm going to go up to the File menu, and I am going to download this so the assignment gets downloaded onto my computer. I'm going to download it as a copy to my computer. So I'm going to submit it to this assignment. It's not really the right assignment. I didn't create the assignment yet. Let's just do submit assignment, and we're going to choose the file that we've saved, and it's actually going to be in my downloads folder. That's where I kept it, and I'm just going to click that, and you'll see right there that the assignment shows up there. And so I know that I've got a hold of it, and I'm going to do submit assignment, and it's going to tell me that the assignment has been submitted, and I am done. And that's it.